Hello, today with BK. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got this C4. I know I've been bad. Some of y'all subscribe with it. I haven't done much with it. I just had some time. It will be up for sale pretty soon, unfortunately. I've had it since 2007. But if interested, reach out to me. But we'll work it out. My email address is in my page, my actual YouTube page. But this side has been giving me trouble, so I said I've got to figure this out. And here's the thing: I don't know if other Corvette watchers right now are actually know what CNS Corvette is. Lyle over there, great person, good videos, really good stuff. He mentioned this in one of his videos, but I'd never seen anybody show it. So when you take your motor out, here's the headlight here. There's the gearing here. So let's see if I can get a little light. So as you can, I don't know if you can see, there's a brass worm gear up in there. It looks fine. I went and purchased a brass gear, but that wasn't the problem. So when I'm sitting here looking, this is the one that was in there. Right? But watch this. Let me see if I can get a rag here. So this goes through, and there is actually teeth on this arm. And those teeth grab into this aluminum, it looks like a cast aluminum style, or it might be a different material if someone wants to correct me. But watch this. See if we can show you. I can turn it with my hand, see? So what do you think's happening when it goes under pressure to turn that light? It's just spinning. Right, I did tap it in a little further, and it stopped. It moved the light probably 3 or 4 times, and then it stopped. So trash, and that's what Lyle talks about in his CNS Corvette video. I'll try to find it and send the link. So I found they're expensive, these gears. So I went and found one that was broke, was busted up online. It was still like $50 or something. But if you look, I can take this in my hand. I cannot turn that at all. So that one is good. But like I said, there's ridges. You can't see them, but they're inside here. And those ridges keep this connected inside so it doesn't turn. So a lot of people have problems with the bushings. These are the bushings here. So I got new bushings. And I'm going to put this brass gear in so that way whoever seems to purchase this Corvette in the future will appreciate that it has the brass gear in there, and they know that it does work. So let's see if we can get this back in there. I've never done it like this. I normally take it all completely out. But yeah, these shims, you have to kind of, oh, there we go. Look at that, went right in. You can't even get better than that. So anyway, I'm gonna put this back together, and we're gonna pop this thing in. We're gonna see how it works. So, all right. So, got it installed. We'll look at it from this way. All right. Yep, they're in order. So you can hear it idling. Don't have any white smoke. All that is just exhaust. We just fired it up, and it sounds good. The cold weather pump still works too. It just cut off a few seconds ago. But got the headlight fixed. Got all this fixed. The car's in great shape, and then like I said, just look for it to be posted. All right, please like, subscribe, and make comments. Today with BK out.